Most new YouTubers start with so much excitement, but sadly enough, many quit before their first year. Why? It's not because YouTube is impossible. It's because of the mistake and the mindset they carry. In this video, I will show you exactly why new YouTubers fail and how you can avoid falling into the same trap. Point number one is unrealistic expectation. Many think success will come overnight. In YouTube, success is gradually. You grow gradually. It doesn't come overnight. Forget about this thing they say, go and buy subscribers, go and buy views, buy likes, all those things, forget about it. Grow naturally. If you come with this mindset that you want to grow overnight, you will rush out of YouTube. They expect thousands of views in their first month. I bet you YouTube is not like that. I posted a video for almost 2 months now. I have gotten 59 subscribers. Yes, almost 2 months now. I'm still happy. Why? Because I did not focus my mind on me having thousands of views, millions of views in my first month. No, YouTube doesn't grow like that. It doesn't move like that. It is gradual process. The truth is, growth takes consistency, patience, and learning. You have to be consistent. Show up on YouTube, and the algorithm will know that you are consistent, and they will favor you. Patient. You have to be patient in everything you do. There must be patient. The Bible says the patient is the fruit of the Spirit. And learning, you have to learn from other people who have been in this field before you. You have to learn from them. Our number 2 point is chasing perfection instead of progress. New creators wait for the perfect camera or perfect editing. If you focus on perfect camera or perfect editing, then you have missed it, because you will spend much money getting all those equipment, and then at the end of it, YouTube doesn't provide what you expect. You will become frustrated and you will leave. The secret is to start with what you have and improve along the way. If you can see my video very well, you will know that it is not perfect because I don't have the equipment yet. But with time, I will grow with time. Yes. Number 3 is lack of consistency. Uploading once, then disappear for weeks kills momentum. If you upload today and disappear for weeks, it kills your momentum. In that, if you upload today and then you keep on recording and uploading, YouTube will know that, this man is serious. This man is serious. And they will start pushing your video. They will not push your video. Maybe in the first month, you upload your videos, and your videos are not being pushed the first month, the second month. But at the third month, you start realizing you're getting thousands of views, hundreds of views. You start realize increase and progress. So in that, when you keep uploading, you build momentum, and you get a new way of uploading and new way of recording. Yes, you start improving while you're doing it. YouTube reward consistency. Posting regularly build trust and your audience. When you're posting consistently, your audience will know that this time we are waiting for this man's video. This time the algorithm is waiting for you to push your video. But if the algorithm waits for you and you are not there, comparing too much, let me give this as a general advice. If you are just starting YouTube, never compare yourself with someone who has thousands, hundreds, millions of subscribers than you who is just starting. I'm starting this channel from scratch. You can check. I'm starting it from scratch. So I cannot go and compare myself with people who had 70,000 subscribers, 100,000, millions of thousands, 90s. I cannot compare myself with them. I might try to see what is working in my niche, and then try to watch their videos to get inspired and see what is working in that niche. Like Vibe with Sonia, Jazzy Nation, I have many of them. So if I'm coming and then I see I'm watching them, then I begin to compare myself with them, then I'm missing it. Because Vibe with Sonia will drop a video now, and in the space of 3 hours he has gotten thousands of views, and then you start compare yourself with that person. No, start, see what works, and then try to craft your own way, not copying their titles, not copying their thumbnail, not copying their style. Yes, build your own style. Remember, every big channel starts at zero. Focus on your lane. In this world, each and everyone has his calling. Your own calling might be different from mine, so focus on it. The number 5 is not learning the basics. If you are a new YouTuber, you are not learning the basics, I wonder what you're doing in this YouTube street. I wonder. The basics here, like titles, thumbnails, and your audience retention, they matters. Your title is what will cause curiosity. Yes, it's what will cause curiosity for a viewer to click. And your thumbnail should spark curiosity. What is going on here? What is happening? Let me see what is in this content. And then the person will click. And then your retention, how long the people stays on your watching your video. Do you keep them engaged? Do you keep them engaged? Make sure you keep them engaged. Ask questions. If you find this video helpful, what do you think? Drop a comment. Engage with your audience. Make them engage. Make them subscribe. Give them a reason to come back again and watch your video. Yes, without learning the basics, even great contents struggles to get seen. They struggle to get seen because you don't learn the basics, like your thumbnail, title, SEO, your audience retention. They matters. Listen, YouTube success is possible for you, but only if you build the right mindset from the start. Don't expect overnight success. Don't even think. If you dream it, forget about that dream. Don't compare yourself. And most importantly, stay consistent. If you want more practical tips on how to grow step by step, make sure you subscribe to Grow with Kelvin and join me on this journey. Let's grow together. See you on my next video.